So now I'll show you in detail how to navigate the business search results in Google Maps. So first you're just going to search for some kind of business, and you can even search something even more specific than that and you won't get so many results. But if you don't, maybe you don't exactly know what you're looking for, then you can type something like I did, just Mexican food. So you'll notice in your search results, here are all your results, and they give you little markers, A, B, C, etc. And if you prefer a more like text-based, kind of what Google search results look like, you can switch to text view right here and look at your results like this. And the map gets a lot smaller, and it's over here, but it's still here. But your search results are more text-based. But you're in Google Maps, so I like the map view. And you've got all these results right here, and if you want to look on this side first and then you click on one, its little info box will pop up right on the map. You can also get this info box to pop up by just clicking on the link. Say I know that I live closer to this restaurant, so I would click over here instead of just randomly clicking on some over here. But this box right here just gives you a little brief overview, address, phone number. Will typically, if there is a website, we'll link to it. And then you've got some other options. You can go straight to get directions, and you can go to here, from here. You can search nearby. You can save to My Maps, which we'll talk about later. You can send to phone, and you can even edit the location if you happen to know it's wrong. And if Google might review that and just make sure it's right. But the coolest thing about these map search results is this right here. When I click more info, I get all this other stuff. And if I just want to get rid of it, I just minimize it back down. But right here, more info. And you've got your review up here. And you can actually write your own review if you sign it up if you have a Google profile. And then it's got all these sections right here. Details. It's got hours, parking, payment accepted, all this great stuff. And it even pulls reviews from different sites or reviews that people write right here. It pulls photos from around the web. You can see where they're from. And it pulls other web pages. So why this is cool is Google is basically pulling all the useful information that it uses from its search engine into this one little box for you when you're looking at something. And that's just one of the great things that Google does. So that's how you navigate the, one more thing on the search results. If you search a real broad topic like I did, you have multiple search results. And if you just scroll down, you can switch pages. And you can see my map actually changes, and it's only showing these results right here. You can also see you've got an option to modify your search and then look in different categories. And there you go. So that's how you navigate the business search results in Google Maps.